Okay guys, this is going to be a short video, I promise. So I picked up an apple tree. Shout out to Lead Farmer 73 if you have not checked him out on YouTube, please do so. I picked up this apple tree from Dawn's Nursery in Irving, Texas, here in the Dallas area, and it is a Pink Lady. It is a Dave Wilson nursery tree as well. It's on M111 rootstock, so you can see that, and it is very self-fruitful. But I also read that if you have another apple tree such as a Granny Smith apple, it will help with production. Okay, so the reason why I got this, Lead Farmer was speaking on one of his videos about apple trees, which apple trees to get, which pear trees to get when you live in a southern climate. And I live in Texas, so we are on the southwest climate, and you know, our summers can get hot. We're not hot like Arizona, but you know, we get in the 90s and 80s and stuff like that where I live. Texas is very big, so other parts of Texas can get even hotter than that. But where I live, we get in the 80s and 90s, and sometimes we'll see 100-degree days. So yeah, so he was saying that sometimes with apple trees, it's not so much the cold or not enough chill hours, it can be the heat. So he said if you wanted a Honeycrisp apple tree, try the Pink Lady. So what did I do? I went out and got one because my husband loves Honeycrisp. So I got this Pink Lady. Honestly, I really like the shape of it. Do y'all see how it's shaped all around? And for me, my goal is to like chop this down and keep my trees fairly, you know, arm's length. I'm short. I'm only like 5 feet, but my husband's taller than me. Obviously, well, not, I won't say obviously, but he's taller than me. And so his reach is further. So at least his reach is where we want our fruit to be at. And by doing that, I'm able to, you know, keep my trees a lot closer together, as well, backyard orchard culture style. So this is the Pink Lady. I keep thinking of like that Tyrese song, Sweet Lady, you know, that song. So yeah, Pink Lady, and that's the newest of the bunch. And we have our Granny Smith over here. I got not too long ago, like a week ago, a standalone Granny Smith, because I realized that it pollinates a lot of different apple varieties and it is so fruitful. So I got that one. Got the Black Arkansas, which he also recommended as well. So got that. I already had that since the winter. This is my 4-in-1, low chill 4-in-1 that bloomed, that was already blooming when I got it, but no big deal. I'm not pressed on it. It kind of just stopped because I think it realized once I brought it here, like, oh no, we're not supposed to be awake, it is still cold. So no big deal. These two are waking up soon. These two are, let's see, Gordon apple, and I'm gonna replace these tags, and Fuji apple. So they'll be waking up soon. And this is our Honeycrisp that I paid like $17 for at this, what is it called? Atwoods here in the Dallas area. $17.99 I paid for this tree. So I got it, you know, prior to seeing that video. But you know, $17.99, why not? Let's see what happens. $17.99. And this is another 4-in-1. Everything is waking up now, which is great. It's a high chill variety. Fuji apple, Golden Delicious, Granny Smith, and I think this is Gala. Yeah, Gala apple. So as you can see, they're waking up. So these are the apple trees. They are, you know, waking up. They're getting ready to flourish. But I just wanted to share this with you guys about the Pink Lady. Go check him out if you have not watched any of his videos, which I would be highly surprised if you haven't watched his videos. But if you have not, go check out Lead Farmer 73. And that is that. This is the Pink Lady apple tree, the newest addition to the teeny tiny orchard. Peace, guys.